Here's a new experimental function we're going to test out for a bit. It's called the reattempt function. Here's the idea. Suppose that a student is really stuck on a problem and wants to move on to the next thing. Remember, you can always let the student take a break, maybe take a 20-minute break to think about the problem and come back. But let's say a student wants to keep working, they just want to work on the next thing, and the problem that you're working on does not inherently build to the next thing. So what you can do is, it's just called reattempt, and here's how it works. It's just like the review function, the same basic idea. Let's say the student's stuck on M3.8, they want to go on to something else. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to write reattempt M3.8. And that's going to add it to the reattempt. It's going to pin it. It's kind of treated in a lot of ways like a review. What that's going to do is at the beginning of any class, let's say we start class. I'm just going to go ahead and type linearize here. And it looks like there's so much information coming on. So let's say, so here's what it'll look like. It'll just say reattempt this and give an appropriate GIF to go along with that. And so at the beginning of every class, they're going to try to do that again. They're going to have time to think about it in between classes and still be able to make progress. Now, there's other options. You can just let the student take a 5, 10, 20-minute break if they want to go away, think about it, and come back. If they want to keep working, this is a way to do that. Now, here's the thing. You can't use a reattempt on everything. If they're working on an essential prerequisite, something like combining like terms, multiplying monomials, obviously a reattempt is not an option. But if they're working on the quarter circle problem, could that be a reattempt? Oh, well, we'll see. My instincts tell me probably, but we're going to test this out for a little bit and find out. Hopefully it will yield something interesting. Hopefully it won't go too disastrously wrong. Here's a shortcut if you guys like to use the shortcuts. Let's say M3.9. If I just want to add that to the reattempt, I can just do REAT, like reat, and it'll have that effect. Just like you can type REV for review and to create a review function. Anyway, let's try it out. Let's see what happens.